This video will show you the best free softwares for making YouTube videos.
So here are some of the best free software tools that you can use to create and edit YouTube videos for your content. First, here is the DaVinci Resolve 20. Here you can edit, cut, color, fusion, firelight, collaboration, and everything. You can do it here, and it also has a free download. And next up is CapCut. Of course, we're all familiar with CapCut. It lets you edit your videos for free and also images. We also have Canva. Canva is for editing your header, your thumbnail, and everything. And of course, YouTube itself. It lets you download free free music background and background music and sound effects to make your videos more engaging to your audience and such. Basically, the main editing software here is this two, CapCut and Canva. This is mostly what you need. Also, ChatGPT. If you want some AI to assist you, ChatGPT is totally free to use.